Introduction. Vision is our most important sense organ in human body. Our eyes enable us to see the beautiful world around us. Let us discover more about this wonderful sense organ of ours. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain the parts of human eye, elaborate on the defects of eye, give precautions for the good health care of the eyes, comment on Braille system. The eye is nearly spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeters. We are able to see the objects around us only when the light emitted or reflected from them enters our eyes. It sends the signals of the image to our brain via optic nerves. Let us study the eye's structure in detail. To know more, click on the labels. Cornea, it is the transparent front part of the eye. It does not have blood vessel. Ciliary muscles. These are ring-shaped muscles attached to the iris. The contraction and relaxation of ciliary muscles control the shape of the lens. Iris. Iris is the colored part of eye, which may be black, brown, green, or blue in color. It controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Do you know that the color, texture, and patterns of each person's iris are as unique as a fingerprint? Lens. The lens is located behind the pupil of the eye and is transparent. It being thicker in center, it is a convex lens. It forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. It changes shape to make sure that the picture on the retina is as clear as possible. Its adjustment is similar to the focusing of the photographic camera. Pupil. Pupil is the small opening in the center of iris. It allows light to enter the retina. It appears black in color because most of the light entering the pupil is absorbed by the tissues inside the eye. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. It gets very small in bright light and bigger in dull light to enable the appropriate amount of light to enter. To know more, click on the labels. Retina. Retina is a light-sensitive tissue that lines the back of the eye. It is a semi-transparent membrane and is equivalent to the screen of a camera. The eye lens forms an inverted and real image of the object on the retina. The light-sensitive receptors of the retina are called rods and cones. Optic nerve. It acts like a cable connecting the eye with the brain. The optic nerve transmits electrical impulses from the retina to the brain. Blind spot. At the junction of the optic nerves and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot. This region is known as the blind spot. Rods. Rods function mainly in dim light and provide black and white vision. Cones. Cones support daytime vision and the perception of color. Persistence of vision. The phenomenon of the eye, by which an afterimage is thought to persist for approximately 1/16th of a second on the retina. Least distance of distinct vision. The minimum distance up to which an eye can see clearly is called the least distance of distinct vision. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeters for a normal human eye. Defects of vision. A normal eye can see all objects over a wide range of distances, that is, from 25 centimeters to infinity. But due to certain abnormalities, the eye is not able to see objects over such a wide range of distances, and such an eye is said to be defective. Some of the defects of vision are myopia or short-sightedness, defect of the vision due to which an eye cannot see the distant objects clearly. To rectify this defect of vision, we use concave lenses. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness, defect of the vision due to which an eye cannot see the nearby objects clearly. To rectify this defect of vision, we use convex lenses. Cataract, defect of the vision in which the lens becomes cloudy or opaque. Light does not pass through such lens to reach the retina. To rectify this defect of vision, opaque lens is removed and a new artificial lens is inserted. Eyes are delicate and precious, so it is necessary to take proper care of our eyes. We should follow some precautions for eyes. Do not read in too little or too much light. Do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. Do not try to look at the sun directly during a solar eclipse. Never rub eyes. Wash eyes with clean water properly. Always read at the normal distance of vision. Always blink your eyes for a few seconds and close them for a few minutes every half an hour while working on a computer for long hours. Include vitamin A-rich foods like carrots, eggs, milk, curd, cheese, and fruits such as papaya and mango in your balanced diet. Braille was devised in 1825 by Louis Braille, a blind Frenchman. Braille is a writing system which enables blind and partially sighted people to read and write through touch. Braille system has 63 dot patterns or characters. Braille character is made up of 6 dot positions arranged in a rectangle containing 2 columns of 3 dots each. Each 6-dot cell stands for 1 letter. Each character represents a letter, a combination of letters, a common word, or a grammatical sign. Visually challenged people learn Braille system by beginning with letters, then special characters and letter combinations. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The eye is nearly spherical in shape with a slight bulge in the front part. Important parts of the human eyes are cornea, ciliary muscle, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve, and blind spot. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 cm for a normal human eye. Defect of the vision due to which an eye cannot see the distant objects clearly is called myopia. Defect of the vision due to which an eye cannot see the nearby objects clearly is called hypermetropia. Braille is writing system which enables blind and partially sighted people to read and write through touch.